Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel vlog. Today I'm in the beautiful Cala Llonga beach in Ibiza, Spain. If you're looking for an exotic getaway, you've come to the right place. The view from the beach alone is stunning. With the turquoise waves glistening in the sunlight, you can truly appreciate the beauty of nature here. I definitely recommend grabbing a few beach chairs and taking it all in. The beach is home to multiple water sports, including paddle boarding and jet skiing. It's a great way to explore the coastline and admire the breathtaking views. Plus, it's a fun activity that the whole family will enjoy. The beach also boasts an array of delicious eateries. Whether you're in the mood for seafood, paella, or tapas, you'll find something to satisfy your appetite. Don't forget to take a walk afterwards, as the area is lined with shops and boutiques. I'm sure you can tell why this beach is so popular. I really hope you enjoyed this stunning beach walk here in Ibiza, Spain. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!